everyone, it's Tammy and I have a haul from Hobby Lobby, and I'm in the living room right now because I have quite a few bags and I want to show you guys what I got. It was just easier in here. So some of this stuff is for my office at work. So you guys know that I recently changed offices, or at least if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I recently changed offices, and then we're going to be changing offices again in about a year to an open concept floor plan, and I'm not going to have my own office. I'm going to have like a cube. So I need to enjoy what I have right now for as long as I have it. So and I know everybody, not everybody, but lots of people ask what I do. I work in IT and I am a director. So that's what I do during my day job. But I have a refrigerator in my office that I just got and a little coffee maker. And so I bought these things and I thought that this would be pretty, excuse me, to put on top of the refrigerator underneath the coffee pot. And I bought two and they don't match, but I got two just because I wasn't sure which one I liked better. And then I think I like this one better though. And then I found this, which is a drying rack, and it doesn't match either, so it's just going to kind of be mismatched, but I don't really care. But I thought this was really pretty. Not a drying rack, but a drying mat. And I love these. I think they work really well too. So, and I know you can get them, excuse me, at the Dollar Tree. But this was $6 and then it was 40% off. So I didn't spend that much more for it and I really like it. So I think what I'm going to do is use these two together, which I know they don't match. I know, but this is going to be under the coffee pot. So you're not going to see much of it. And then this will be out. And yeah, I don't care if they match or not. So those are all for the office. And I think all of this stuff is for the office too. I'm going to put this by my coffee pot. Isn't that cute? And that's in gold sparkly. This is coffee. And, oh, I forgot that I got this one too. All of these were 50% off. Kind people are my kind of people. I like that. And this isn't for the office, but this says, live life in full bloom. Ooh, and it's windy. And then these are for next year, but they're just really cute little bags. And these were 66% off all of their Easter stuff. So that was cheapo. This is for my office. It just says, be still and know, which I think is nice. And I like how simple it is. So I thought I would just put this somewhere. And this is also for my office. It says, do what makes your soul happy. And it was $10. So I thought that was really cute. The only problem is that it has a hole in it back here, but they all did. And it's just, you know, somebody when they were holding it stuck their hand in that. So it's kind of a bummer, but they all had one. So I just took one with it. And it was $10. I think that's very reasonable for something like this. So I'm going to put that back in here along with these, and these are open in the back. I thought those would be cute in my office. And I'm not done with things for my office. There's still more. Can you believe it? Getting some stuff for my office. Let's see. Let's go to this one. This, I think, is super cute for my office. Isn't this cute? This was $5. You hang it on the wall, and it looks like it's like made of like metal or something. At least I think it does. It's like foam. It's totally moldable, bendable, and it just comes back. And they had lots of different colors. I almost got a pink one, but my walls in my office are kind of a funny color, and I thought this would be good to match just about any color. I just thought it was really cute. I just love this. I might even want one for here. I don't know. I mean, like, seriously, I like it. You guys have to tell me what you think. And then I also got this one. And it says, don't forget where you came from, but never lose sight of where you're going. I thought that would be kind of encouraging to put in my office. I thought that was kind of neat. And it's a table one. It has this. So I'm just going to put this somewhere. And this one wasn't on sale, so I did use my 40% off coupon for that one. And then I think this bag just has four different things, but they're all one kind. So I got these. The Everything Paper Studio was 50% off. And so these were $11.99, and these are cards. So it comes with 50 cards, I think. Oh, no, 48 cards, and these are all the different prints on the cards and envelopes. So, oh, here, that's a better view. Those, and then these. I thought these were really cute. And sometimes I just use them and put, like I'll still put a stamp on them or something, like, because you can use this as just the base if you want to. So let me just show you the sides, because that's a better view. I thought these were really pretty. Sorry, that light is kind of shining through. And then these are the little girls that I love. So there's that one and this one. I'm trying to block the sun. And then finally, last but not least, is my LOL one with the little girls that I really, really love. So I thought those were neat. And they're kind of encouraging. I thought I could even use them for my team at work. Girls just want to have fun. Hey, pretty lady. You're lovely. Hello, beautiful. Making magic happen. I just thought it was nice. So those. And then I have one more bag. So I got this. This is vinyl, and this is the pattern. It's LOL. It's Paper Studio, so it was 50% off. This is just self-adhesive vinyl, and I am going to use it to line the shelves in my refrigerator at work. I thought that would be really cute. So that is that. And then I needed some more little daubery things to, like blending things to use in my crafting. So I found these. They were 50% off, so these were $3.50 for the two of them. And then I got refills, which were $2.50. So that works. And then I like these little bows, and they were $1.50. Half off. So all of this Paper Studio stuff, like I said, was a half off. So I got this bigger dauber and these three little daubers. These were $1. And then I got these Paper Studio cards. They're in gray. So I got the cards and the envelopes. I just really like that color. I thought that would be really neat to make something really cute. And then I don't need these, but I thought I would get one for Katie, my daughter, and one for Chloe, my son's girlfriend, to put in their Christmas stockings. I know I'm planning early, but that's the way I roll. So got those. And then I found these cute bags. There's 3 different designs, and I can always use bags. And I got some of the heavy cardstock because I like this. Not as much as the Whisper White from Stampin' Up, but I liked it none the same. And I got this LOL paper. I had never gotten this size. This is 8.5 by 11. And so it has a little different, like, I don't think this one's in the other ones where she's, I mean, there's just some that aren't in the other patterns. This little couches, this one with her in the little scooter, this one with the little cactus. This one I don't think is in the others. So I was like, you know, I'm going to get this one too. So I got that. And there's some foil in there. And then I also found this one and picked that up too. And it has all the different seasons. So all the different holidays. Hopefully you guys can see those. Looks like you can. So I'll just kind of hold it there a little bit so you guys can see what it has. Because I would highly recommend you guys, if you have a Hobby Lobby and you're so inclined, I would definitely suggest this because it has, I think, 3 or 4 pages of each, 4 pages of each design, and there's 50 designs. So this is really great, and it's a bargain at $10 right now. I mean, some of them are super cute, like this Halloween with the cauldron and the little ghosts and the birthday balloons. I mean, I could just go down. They're all cute. I love the plaid. I love the stripes. I love the hearts and the shamrocks and the chicks. Oh my goodness, it's just really cute. Seriously, it's really cute. Even has like teachery things, and it has 4th of July. Just really cute stuff. I'm excited about that. So that's everything. I think this feels like there might be something else, but I think it's just because she double bagged it. Oh no, there is something else. Oh, I got 2 packages of the Daubers. I didn't even remember that I did that. I'm glad I checked again. So that's everything I got from Hobby Lobby. So I hope that you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.